Today, we're going to be making an amazing breakfast, pancakes and eggs on the Blackstone. So one of the greatest things about having a Blackstone is it's a big enough surface that you can cook bacon, sausage, hash browns, eggs, pancakes, French toast, whatever you want, almost all at the same time. Now today, it's just Deb and I, so for this part, we're just gonna make a couple of eggs, and we've got some pancakes. We'll make those up, put them in the oven, and the girls will have them in a while. Actually, you know what? We'll use our little air fryer warmer to keep them warm. Let's get started. This will go quick. All right, we're gonna start by just adding a little butter down here onto the griddle. Now, I've got this on its lowest setting. We'll see in a second if that's maybe even too high. Here's what's cool. Deb makes her own flour. We're gonna have some of these pancakes made with this. We made these about 35 minutes ago, so they're good and thick. And this is a hard wheat flour, so this is a little bit more rigid than like a cake flour, which you might typically see in hotcakes or pancakes. Get Deb's eggs going over here. This one will not be for Deb because she likes some eggs, yolks runny and whites cooked, and I cracked that one. Doggone it. I'm just going to cover these eggs to help keep them nice and cooking on the top and bottom. See if we can get these guys flipped over without breaking them. It's gonna be tough. All right. See how these guys are looking? They're getting there. All right, we got the pancakes down in the warmer under the air fryer. Gonna try these little pancakes here. It's good. A little crispy on the bottom of this one. Overcooked one of them. But damn tasty. All right, y'all. Safe and happy griddling. Pancakes and eggs. Simple and easy. But you can cook for 5 to 8 people quick.